SPTV.
What's up? Welcome to Design That. I'm Ben.
First episode,
Yup.
and I'm Ian.
Joined with my designer pal Ian. He is the man behind the music of pretty much all my videos. This is the guy. Okay, so yeah, Design That. New cool little show we're working on, and we're gonna just do graphic design shit pretty much. And today we are redesigning or designing a video game case.
Well, of a game that already exists.
Yes.
So that means whatever game you want, but it has to exist, and you can reformat it to Commodore 64 or Super Nintendo or whatever you want to do.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
What? No, I'm doing PS1.
Yeah, what game are you picking? Let's do that real quick.
Oh, the
Let's start
game
with
I'm
you.
picking is new, but it's an 8-bit type of game, and it's called, what is it? I already forgot the name. It's called Wizards of Legend.
Wizards of Legend.
And it's an 8-bit roguelike dungeon slasher, kind of like Binding of Isaac. But anyway, it's 8-bit, like I said, roguelike dungeon slasher, and I don't know, it doesn't really have a case on its own, but it's got art detail, and I kind of want to put that on a PS1 because I feel like this could have been a game for PS1 when they were out and, you know, currently being made and sold and whatnot.
Okay, so you're making a retro game case for this Steam game, this Rogue Steam game. All right, cool. I'm doing the PS4 game, DigimonStory, Hacker's Memory. Not that one, this one.
I know, but this is probably just for a reference, right?
Yes, because I like the first one more than the second one. Mainly what I like about these games is the spines, how simple they are, and just straight up like black and white, and they got really cool font on them. So I'm gonna try to just simplify this case to the extreme. Yeah, DigimonStory, it's a fucking RPG. It's like Pokemon. You go around catching Digimon, solving a case. Shit ton of dialogue, which I hate. I skip it as much as I can,
But
and then I don't know where I'm at in the game.
That's one thing I like about, well, certain games I get that, but it sucks because if it's a game you really like and you do like, you know, the story, but then sometimes you just don't want to listen to it at the points.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, we're gonna redesign this shit. I think we're giving ourselves 2 hours. We're gonna print them out so we have like physical versions of it. I think this will be cool. Any strategy in mind for you for this?
I mean, I have a small idea, but like I'm probably gonna expand on it a bunch. But it's gonna be, like I said, layered in each one. And this game is really based off like all the elements you can get for your wizard, and customization is a big thing. So I'm gonna try and implement the the main elements into this front panel, and then back panel I think it's gonna be text and boxes of gameplay, pretty much. You know, things you can do. So I have a pretty good idea what I'm gonna do.
Nice. I think I'm just gonna go get rid of all the illustration on this and just focus on this ring symbol they have in the type, and maybe try to add some like alien hieroglyph looking language into it, and just keep it mostly black and white except for this ring.
Yeah.
I think it'll make it pop and be interesting.
Yeah, it would be cool.
All right,
Okay,
cut to montage. All right, we're back. We redesigned the video games. Ian, what do you think about yours?
I like it. I think the front's really good. I forgot to, count for the back because I thought they were both the same size.
Someone didn't measure their actual case. He just looked up shit online.
Yeah, I just kind of went for it.
Mistake. Yeah, I do. I like it though. I like the colors. It looks very 90s. It looks like a fucking RPG.
Yeah, it's like a roguelike. It's like Binding of Isaac. Because after watching you play that for a little bit today, I can see how it's really like Binding of Isaac in a way.
Well, I'm saying it looks like an RPG instead of a kind of rogue.
But it is an RPG
dungeon
in a way
crawler.
too.
Yeah.
But yeah, I get what you mean, like a straight up RPG. Yeah, I think the front came out really good.
Yeah, very cool in the PlayStation case. Nice use of screen captures from the game.
You need at least 3 screen captures, I figured, on a game, because I always hated when games didn't only had like one, and so it gives you nothing to really go off. Because back in these days, the internet was there, but it was really slow, so you kind of just went off what the game looked like rather than all these reviews like you can now.
Yeah.
So I always felt that was important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool though. Very nice.
And I also did this right here, this little logo right here. That's actually the guys whoever made the game. I found his Twitter page and then
cool.
found the image, and I thought that was cool image. I thought you could just put that on there.
Nice inclusion.
Yeah.
Nice inclusion.
It's always nice to know little things,
All right. Well, mine, prehab with mine went super simple. I used the kind of Digimon portal symbol that is used in the title of the game in DigimonStory, and I thought it was just really good looking, bold, thick lines, really gets your attention. It's a target. It draws your eyes to it. So I thought that'd be a cool game cover, and I just Googled some alien language is what I Googled, and I just found these weird symbols and kind of overlaid them over the symbol.
So wait, this isn't even from the game?
No, that's just shit I found on Google.
I feel like that could work as like if the people actually marketed it, that like they had.
Well, yeah, I mean they do shit like that in the show and then like in the games, like it's like this digital looking language.
Yeah, but the thing is actually that worked so well because when you saw it, I thought it was actually something from the series before that would have this type of code over it.
Yeah.
The only thing is like maybe it's just the lighting, and sometimes I always feel like it's too light. Maybe darken it a little bit, but.
What, the text? I wanted it to be barely. In an ideal world, it would be like a holographic cover where you'd like tilt it and it would catch the light. That's what I was thinking. But
another thing is, it's like it's always hard to tell like what's gonna go from being on screen to printer.
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
It was.
It was physically draining.
For a while.
The speed.
The speed. Well, to pump it out that fast. That was actually hard because usually I never go that way. I just most of the time you think of something. You think on something for a while, even sketch it out hundreds and hundreds of times before you actually go off a final product.
It's good practice.
It is.
But all right, that was Design That. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Let us know if you like these games and give us some cool ideas for shit you would like to see us design.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next one.
Episode 1, very successful.